you have something for this one?
Yeah.
Don't make it too horrible. Brutal. You know, they tighten it into really. Oh, dude, I'll never get that loose.
What are you talking about?
Dude. Okay. All right.
Don't do it.
I think they're like 50 pounds or something. Okay. All right, so that's going in the back seat. This is going back in the glove box.
Is this a torque wrench?
That is a fucking safety thing. They can't steal my rims. Okay. So theoretically, how do I get the jack out from underneath it? It should fit, right?
It should, right? If it doesn't, you use it back up a little bit. You'll be alright?
Yeah.
Sweet. Yeah, here, I'll trade you. Let me take care of that.
And you take care of it. I want to see how this one.